An encounter from another planet, UFO Camp comes to La Rumorosa, a camp that brings together the best UFO phenomenon researchers. If you are passionate about topics related to space and investigation regarding the existence of life on another planets, this event is for you. The World UFO Camp consists of investigative reporters, scientists, and writers dedicated to the observations and study of unidentified flying objects, sharing their findings through conferences and panel discussions. The Skywatchers Convention will feature the participation of different Mexican and American researchers, including archaeologists Jose Aguayo, Carlos Clemente, and Diana Maussan. The event will take place in La Rumorosa on Saturday, July 8th and Sunday, July 9th. The event has limited capacity and costs 1,900 pesos, which includes conferences, surveillance, exhibitions, meditations, as well as water, coffee, tea, and bread for the sharing. For more information, you can visit the official UFO Camp website.